Hi, I'm Scott from SuperPro again. I want to talk to you about our KIT153. Why is it so good? It's one of our biggest sellers, KIT153. It comes with the caster arm bushes that go onto the control arm. A lot of talk about these particular bushes. Our bushes are different from everybody else's. We have an embedded washer in the head of the bush. We also have a full tube that covers the whole length of the bushing. We've actually made our tube a dual internal diameter, so it slips nicely onto the end of the caster arm and works really well. Our inner control arm bush is a cotton reel design to help stabilize the control arm in the inner position. Comes with the crush tube as well. The other bush that comes with the kit is our 2339 bush, one of our staple bushes. It's been around for a long time, but we have actually made some slight changes to it. We've now made it a two-piece bush. This aids in fitment. It still has all the original design features like the grooves to eliminate NVH. We've still got all of our different thickness washers for caster adjustment, and everything that still pretty much remains the same. So comprehensive fitting instructions for each of the bushes, tells you which position to put the washers in to achieve the results that you need. The rest of the bushes really tighten up the front triangle of the Commodore that they're designed for. Inner control arm, outer back of the caster arm, and the front caster bush into the chassis. Everything you need in one box. Engineered in Australia and built to last.